What's up, everybody? Alex Bracke here with the Valor Group. We are rolling again. We are on the road, but this time a little bit different mission. Not selling houses right at this immediate moment in time. Today it is all about emptying out the storage area from our basement. One of the things that was told to me when I first moved to Northern Virginia was this is kind of a bargain hunter's paradise because we live in an area that is fairly affluent. God loves some of the folks. They decide that the beautiful stainless steel appliances that they just bought 2 years ago, brand new, you know, they want a different shade of stainless in their kitchen or something, and so they sell these perfectly good, nearly new appliances or something, you know, some major piece of something for the home, and they sell them dirt cheap. You know, it's a kind of one of the benefits of living in the area. But for those of us that, you know, we don't mind buying stuff used or secondhand or whatever, you can get some crazy good deals in Northern Virginia area. So what we've done, we've got a list here in the list down below the video with all the different donation sites in Northern Virginia. We're doing our best to compile all these as a resource for anybody who wants them. I mean, we're a big believer in philanthropy and trying to give back to the community, so we don't want to leave anybody out. So if you could, shoot us a message if you don't see your favorite donation site or drop-off point there. We definitely want to include it, so please shoot us a message or comment on the video. Let us know if we forgot somewhere, and we definitely want to include those and have contact info and everything for folks that may need it. So anyway, getting ready to drop off a load of donation stuff here to one of the charities in the area, and want to hear from you. What's your favorite place to take your donation stuff? I appreciate it. My name is Alex Bracke again with the Valor Group at Pearson Smith Realty. I hope you'll reach out if you ever have questions or need any help in the real estate space. Thanks so much.